Hello beautiful people, I'm back with new hair, don't care. I would like to firstly apologize that I've been missing out for so long, but I had a lot of problems, technical problems with my camera, and because I'm a beginner in this YouTube situation, I couldn't actually fix it, but now I'm back, stronger than ever, and I'm super excited to film new tutorials for you guys, and I'm starting with this one, which is a very summery, glowy makeup look. I really like this one, and I've added this coral lipstick, which I'm not really used to wear, but it really looks so nice overall. So if you guys want to see all the steps on how to achieve this makeup look, just make sure you keep on watching. Alright you guys, so let's start with some skin prep. As usual, I'm gonna use my favorite chapstick, which is the Hydro Bloom from Makeup Forever. I really love this one because it gives me a little bit of rosy tint on my lips and it keeps them moisturized. And not to mention that it smells so nice, like I really want to eat it. Next, I'm gonna apply my favorite eye cream, which is actually for eyelids too. It's from Christian Laurent. It actually became my favorite skincare brand lately. I'm gonna apply a little amount. And yes, I'm gonna apply it on my eyelids too because I want to keep them moisturized. Especially because I'm using lots of, eyeshadow lately and I really need a little bit more hydration for my eyelids as well. So this is a really good product. Next, I'm gonna be using their moisturizing cream. So I'm gonna apply a little amount. Kind of like give myself a little massage. I'm now gonna apply Becca First Light Priming Filter Primer. And I'm gonna focus on the center of my face where I need a little bit more luminosity. I really love this primer because it keeps my skin moisturized and in the same time looks really nice under foundation. I'm now applying the Benefit Soft Focus Highlighter on my face, especially in this higher points of my face, to look really nice under foundation. So I'm really looking forward to get that glowy, sun-kissed skin. Don't worry if now looks weird because it's gonna be covered by foundation. Actually, it's gonna, shine through the foundation. So that's why I'm applying a lot. I'm just spreading it a little bit more. For foundation, I'm gonna use my favorite mineral foundation from Christian Laurent. It's really amazing, you guys. It feels like you don't really have any foundation on. It's very liquidy. And I've been using it for a while. And actually, it really helped my skin to not break out. Because when I use lots of foundation, usually I'm breaking out. And I really hate this feeling of heavy foundation on my skin. So this is actually the perfect product for me. I really don't have, I really don't like this cakey foundation effect. I would rather just play with the concealer if I have something to cover and just keep my face, as natural as possible. So this foundation, it's really giving me those vibes. Can you guys see how natural and glowy already looks? I'm really in love with this foundation. Alright, so I'm gonna do a little bit of a sculpting slash bronzing using just foundation, and this one is from Makeup Forever Ultra HD. It's a darker shade. but it's not super dark in the same time. So it just gives me exactly what I need, just a soft, you know, bronzing slash sculpting effect. So I'm gonna apply it on the temples of my face, under my jawline, and my cheek bone. And a little bit on the sides of my nose, just a little bit. I'm not really a fan of nose contouring because it's always ending up looking funny, and I'm always removing it at the end. So I'm just playing with this foundation. And see, it's already giving me this chiseled look. And I'm doing the same in the other side as well. Alright, so now I'm gonna highlight a little bit using my favorite concealer from Tarte, Shape Tape, in the shade Light Medium Sand. And I'm actually gonna use it as an eyeshadow primer as well, because it really works well with eyeshadow for me. So I'm gonna put a little bit on my eyelids too. And on the bridge of my nose to kind of sharpen it up a little bit. I'm first gonna start blending my concealer on the eyelids because it tends to dry pretty fast. So I don't want my eyeshadow to get patchy afterwards. But under the eyes and on the bridge of the nose, it's fine because I'm gonna get more coverage. To blend in the rest, I'm gonna use my beauty blender. I'm just dabbing the beauty blender, not swiping, because I don't want to remove my concealer. I'm now going to apply a cream blusher, and actually this one is a tester from Dolce & Gabbana. It's called Blush of Roses number 10. It's a curly color. I really like it. I'm taking the excess on the back of my hand because I don't want to look funny. And then I'm dabbing it on my cheeks. It looks so pretty. I love it. I'm now going to use the same stick highlighter from Benefit on top to kind of give myself an extra glow. I'm gonna fix everything using the RCMA loose powder, and I'm gonna give myself a little bit of baking under the eyes just to protect my under eyes from eyeshadow as well. But firstly, I'm removing any crease, and now I'm applying the powder just by tapping, and I'm kind of applying it here to get a more lifted effect on my eyeshadow. It's a really nice trick. Now, using the same powder, I'm slightly fixing my foundation, especially the problematic areas such as the T-zone and the cheeks. I don't really want to have a dry or matte effect, so I'm not putting a lot of product. I'm just tapping it. For the eyes makeup, I'm now gonna play with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. I'm gonna mix Lucid and Pyramid, and I'm gonna apply them into the inner corners. to highlight this area. Now I'm gonna mix Eden and Unity, and I'm gonna apply them into the crease. Firstly, double checking if I have any crease, which I do. I'm now gonna apply shade Eden under my eyes. Next will be the shade Parallel, but I'm gonna apply it only on the outer corners of my eyes, next to the lash line, just to get a little bit of depth. The next shade that I'm gonna apply, it's actually two shades. I'm gonna mix Pyramid and Eterno. Let's see how this looks. And to apply this shade, I'm using my finger, because I feel like when I'm applying shimmery eyeshadows with my finger, it kind of melts the product into my eyelids and it looks really nice and glowy. I'm gonna apply the shade Pyramid a little bit under my eyes, in the inner corners. We're done with the eyeshadow, and now I'm gonna remove the powder from my under eyes. And I'm gonna apply my signature winged eyeliner, and I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Perversion liquid liner. I'm only doing half eyeliner. This is my way to wear eyeliner. I've decided to not apply any fake eyelash. Instead, I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply just mascara, because I want my eyeshadow to pop rather than my lashes. And for mascara, I'm gonna use this bad boy from Too Faced. It's called Damn Girl. It's actually a mini size. I've been playing around with it lately and I really love this mascara. The only con, it would be the brush, because it's quite big. So you really need to be careful when you apply it, because you can touch your eyeshadow. But other than that, it's really an amazing formula. And to be honest, it's not a waterproof mascara, but it lasts so well in the water. I've been going to the pool. I really love this one. I'm gonna actually buy it the full size, like you guys can already see. So when I wear this mascara, I feel like I don't need any fake eyelash. Can apply it on the bottom lashes as well. Can you guys see how nice it is? And you can apply, I guess, 2 or 3 coats. I tried with 2, but it didn't make any difference. Like, it just depends on how you firstly apply it. If you really give it a good first coat, then you wouldn't need a second coat. Okay, the eyes are done, and now I'm gonna move back to the face. I'm finishing up the rest of the face, and for this I'm using the Tarte 9 Ways to Shine. It's called Chic Wardrobe, and it has this beautiful blusher and highlighter colors. I'm gonna use this one over here. I don't know the name of it, but it's a soft shimmery pinkish peachy blusher. And I'll finish it up with my favorite highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills, of course, Amrezi. My face is done too, so I'm now gonna apply a beautiful coral lipstick. It's from Bobbi Brown, but unfortunately guys, I don't really know the exact shade. Sorry. Since I haven't used any pencil, I'm gonna use a brush to kind of sharpen it up. Such a pretty color. I love it. I'm usually not a fan of colorful lipsticks. I'm trying to avoid them because I'm used to nudes, but this is really a pretty color. I like it. Now I'm gonna use MAC Fix Plus, which is actually a shimmery fixing spray, and I'm gonna apply it on my face and chest because I want to get a little bit more glow. I will put a little bit of Cover FX Costume Glow Drops to get a little bit more bronzy, glowy body. Since I'm not so tanned, this will really give me a little bit of more tanned effect. And a little bit of extra Amrezi, because why not? Collarbones.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Where is my brush? Where is my brush? Oh shit. Okay, so this is done, but I'm gonna fix my hair a little bit, so now I'm totally ready. So I just added a couple of beach waves to complete this summer makeup look. This is the final result. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to see the future tutorials that I'm gonna post. And thank you for watching.